Now when the withdrawal was initiated by the Arkis risk management team, we can validate it and see that our risk factor has dropped from 2.1 to 1.1, and the total portfolio value summary dropped from almost $17 to $9. So what is the reason for that? If we click once more the address of the margin account and see what's going on, we can see the initial transaction where we have borrowed 8 USDC, and now from the wallet which originated the transaction, the Arkis trading team initiated a withdrawal of 8 USDC, while the collateral still stays on the margin account. So by utilizing this structure, we can use yield-bearing collateral while still borrowing USDC to be used externally. So let's validate the total portfolio value on the Ether scan, as DBAC does not pull the latest data, to make sure that only Pendle PTs stay on the margin account. So as we can see, only PT Sina stay on the margin account, and by this we have shown that the asset managers can use a wide variety of yield-bearing collaterals to be used as collateral on the Arkis platform to borrow USDC and use it externally. So the final step here is to understand how can we close margin account. So if we click on close margin account, we can see that in order to close it, the user must have the debt value of 8 USDC plus the interest which was accrued during while the trade was open. So there are two ways how the margin account can be closed, either by connecting the margin account through Wallet Connect to Pendle to sell the available Pendle PTs into USDC to close the margin account, or a more preferable and fast way just to deposit the needed amount of USDC into the margin account address and initiate close. So let's see how the second option works. We can see that in our recent transactions we got 8 USDC from the margin account, and now we will send the needed USDC value to margin account and initiate a withdrawal. Let's wait a bit to make sure that the USDC has been deposited into the margin account, and then initiate the margin account closer. When the margin account is closed, the protocol will transfer all of the available tokens on the margin account to the wallet which has originated it. So this is the reason why we don't need to sell Pendle PT tokens, because they will be automatically transferred back to the owner of those tokens, which is this address. So this is the reason why, like, the only thing which is needed to close the margin account in this case is just to have the available needed value of USDC on the margin account address. We can see that our USDC has arrived, and now we can initiate the close procedure.